So how does AgroCares use the prediction models? Well, AgroCares contains hundreds of different prediction models, each of which predict different facets of the soil or feed quality criterion. But as mentioned before, agriculture is a very large and complex industry, and a model that works well for the Netherlands may not work so well in somewhere like Kenya, for instance. So how do we get around that? Well, we use a technique we call locally weighted learning. In locally weighted learning, when a sample comes in and we compare it against our database, we only look at a local subset within the database of spectra that are similar to that. So for example, let's say a farmer has taken a sample and it is sent to us. This sample may come in here in the database, and locally weighted learning looks for the nearby neighbors in the database. Now, these neighbors may not necessarily come from the same country as where the farmer is. These are soil samples or feed samples that are spectrally similar to the sample coming in. Locally weighted learning will then take this neighborhood of samples and build a small, precise model to more accurately predict the nuanced and minute features of the spectrum that has just come in from that farmer. The prediction is then returned back to the farmer, and they can use this prediction to get better insights into the quality of their soil or feed. In my next video, I'm going to talk about how the farmer makes use of our scanners and equipment.